Technology keeps on growing. A lot of it that we know 5, 10 years ago is already deprecated. If you are in the cybersecurity, you must also align yourself with this technology, especially AI. I have big roadmap for AI, and this roadmap is the interlocking, and every decision we made, solution that we are integrating should fit fully as a whole. So that's why we have this consolidation thing going on our network and our security solutions. For our sector, which is aviation, we made a lot of progress, especially that we don't have any more infrastructure on our on-premise. It's all in the cloud. And we see that this is a very good decision since we are reducing the carbon emission because we don't need anything on-prem. And this kind of decision that we made is also giving us scalability and flexibility on our cybersecurity posture as well. Cybersecurity, right? We're talking about cybersecurity. I'm looking on really capitalizing on the AI. First is the detection process. We don't want an attack that's already in your network 5 months ago. Okay, we want to detect it as soon as possible. And this generative AI and everything that we are doing should really be our investment in the future. I have devised a new framework for us based on somebody's architecture, but this architecture that we're doing for AI, it will really solve a lot of problems for AI in the future, especially in security and data privacy as well. First, let's say I gave you access to this AI. Let's say not security, I gave you access. And then composing those paragraphs or whatever reports you have will take you only like 5 minutes or 15. The question is not about the impact of AI, but the impact on your everyday life. Okay, so the impact on your everyday life, you will have more flexibility on your work because you can do a lot of things with this. So the company would be happy, of course. But at the back, what are the costs? What are we protecting? Are we allowing them to mine those data on all companies, or are we restricting them? Who are gaining access to this data is also very, very important in this manner if we're an AI-based company. Looking for a partner or an SI or a vendor, I'm looking on their capability. Number one, what can you do for us? And then secondly, I'm looking at the maturity. Do you have the maturity model that we need? Because partnership means if we're moving, you're also moving. So Control S Group gave us a very good business case, use case, that we can have this like a perpetual partnership. We can count on them because I can see that the maturity is there, the leadership is there, the vision is there, which I believe is very important if we have this kind of partnership in the future. As on all the vendors that we have, Control S give us the edge on implementing this AI, cybersecurity, and maybe soon infrastructure.